So you're coming down under. Whether you're here for a long summer break, staying for a year, or looking to migrate, you'll probably want some level of health insurance. We get it can be confusing and boring, so here are the top 5 things you need to know about health insurance if you're new to Australia. Number 1, it's compulsory for a lot of visas, meaning the government requires you to have a policy in place from the day you enter Australia. It's called Condition 8501. And it applies to quite a few short and long stay visas. Number 2, even if you don't need it, healthcare bills can really add up. If your visa doesn't require health insurance, it can be tempting to go without it, but the cost can really add up should you get sick or have an accident without insurance. For example, the cost of an ambulance alone in New South Wales starts at $382, and that's even in an emergency. Number 3, some countries have swapped healthcare. Also known as reciprocal healthcare, the government has set up agreements with 11 countries where citizens can access Australia's public healthcare system, Medicare. These countries include the UK, New Zealand, the Republic of Ireland, Italy, the Netherlands, and more. However, you can generally only get access to essential medical treatment. This is things like emergency hospital treatments or bulk billed GP visits, rather than the full services that are open to all Australians. Number 4, you can't buy any health insurance policy. There are a few types of health insurance in Australia, and as an overseas visitor, you'll specifically need Overseas Visitors Health Cover. Also known as OVHC, it can cover you for GP visits, emergency ambulance, accidental injury, heart procedures, cancer treatments, joint reconstructions, and much more. Always check the waiting periods though. Pregnancy, for example, comes with a 12-month waiting period. If you want rebates for treatments outside of a hospital, such as dental and optical, you'll need an extras cover, which can be bolted on separately but isn't mandatory for any visa. In addition to your own visa, if your parents come to stay for a while, they'll also need health insurance. The good news is OVHC considers pre-existing conditions after a waiting period, and they can be more cost-effective than travel insurance when staying for a couple of months or more. At the end of the day, no one thinks they're going to have an accident, but you need to be covered. So if you don't want to risk a big bill as a token of your trip to Australia, OVHC starts from as little as $65 a month. So before you set sail or jump on that plane, be sure that you check out our full guide around healthcare for your specific visa and compare your options in the link below.